Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? You guys have the opportunity to watch the World Cup football matches. You can chill out, you can sit down on the couch and have some fun. But we guys have to work here. Look at them. Every stand builder has been working hard. Some of them are the fans of soccer, but they don't have any chances to chill out, to watch it. That is the TV guy. This booth is almost done. Life is pretty hard. That guy's clean the glass. That lady is working on the ground. There are more people ahead. So the World Cup is not our cup of tea because we don't have the time and the opportunity to enjoy it. You guys can chill out there. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy your matches, and we have to work harder in order to accomplish the projects one by one. See you everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.